Hello friends, welcome back to e-commerce project in Laravel 10. Last video we discussed about trend products. Okay, so in this video we can cover for the from our blogs because of other things that we have already done. So we need to continue from our blogs. I think it's only this one remaining and this one also remaining. We need to make dynamic, but let's sort out first from our blogs because this is the big parts. I will see lots of like comments. We need a blog inside e-commerce before received, not now. So we can cover in this blog, in this video blog. So first of all we need to work in admin side, after we can work front side. Before we can start for this video, you are new in the channel, otherwise in this series, so please subscribe and please press the bell icon, so whatever content we are uploading, so always get the notification and you can start immediately new thing learning. And also, do you want to buy any script? Just go to our official website rrsolutioncode.com and you can buy it here script. You can see it here. Okay. And do you want to develop as a freelancer work? Just contact Telegram, WhatsApp, and Skype. So let's start now. So first of all, I will open the database. So first we need to check our themes inside a what type blog look show. So let's go to Mola. Inside I can open blog files because it's 100% here their blog listings. You can see it here. You see this is the blog listings available. But do you want to do is a category wise? So we can also do it category wise. But we have already their category for this product like here. So we can use this category like here. You can see like main electronic, fashion, home, toys, games. We need to use this category. So category wise also can work blogs. You can see travels, fashion, shoppings. I think this is the different category. We don't want to use these ones. Okay. So this is the listings. Here's lots of file there for the blogs. Grid sidebars. You can see it here. Look like. What do you think? This is the also good. But we can work better. We need to do first admin side work. After I can think what's the best way. So we can do it. I think this is the blog.htmls. Let's click on the any one so we can check detail. For the single one look like good. I like it. This one we can use for the single one. And here also comment everything we can cover one by one. Means one by one we can create a videos and we can show how we can do it. Okay. So let's start first admin side. So blog inside what we can need. So before we can start admin side, we need to create a table inside a e-commerce. Means our database table inside. So title slug. After we can do it here, you can see it what one need. Category ID we also need. So first we need to create a category. So just you can create table before we need to create a blog category table. So just you can create blog category, means the table name is a blog category. Okay, category. First we can provide ID. Second we will provide names. After we can do it like status. Suppose active, inactive do you want to do. Let's make a status last because of we also need to work as a titles name. After we can do it in meta titles. Okay, also we can use one titles. Sometimes we need to use title different way. These reasons. Meta descriptions. Last one we can use like meta keywords. Let's create a more columns. Status is delete. This is the for category because here you can see it category available. So we always need a category. So let's first sort out in this video category. Means is the blog part category. So simply I need to explain. Okay, created, updated, add. Let's make nulls here. Here you can do 10 integers. Also you can pass 0. Also you can do 10 integers. Okay, 1 minute. Sometimes not work, sometimes work very well. So as active means 0, is delete is 0. Okay, keywords 255. I think we can make more. Sometimes people adding lots of here I can make text. Here also we can make varchar 25. Titles we can make 255. Also same thing we can do it here inside name. And here you can make it auto increment. Okay, now here is all done. Now everything is good. You can see it here. Let's click on the save button. So blog category table successfully created. So now we need to work admin side, so we need to log in as a admin. So just go to up, and here you can click on the admin at the gmail.coms, whatever your side, you can log in. Just I go directly admin dashboards. Okay, after we can create one video, we need to remove everything. So we can remove is lots of things available, message available, notification, we can cover all things, but step by step. Okay, so now we need to create a new menu here, block category. After contact us, do you want to do, so you can do it. After page, do you want to do, you can do it. Okay, is your dependency, it is not our dependency. So whatever place do you want to, like, you can do it. So let's make it after pages block categories. So resources, views, admin, inside you can see it here, layouts, and added.blade.php. Let's zoom out and just scroll down. So here you can see page, so just copy paste, and you can change here blog category. Also you can change here blog category list. I think we need to remove this space, I don't want to need this space, means comma. And here you can make segments, so look like perfect. And let's go back again, refresh the page. Okay, so right now I explained like a very simple way what we can do. Now I will do all things is a copy paste code, so we can cover everything is a very quick. Okay, so simply first of all we need to go to routes, inside go to web.php, and here you can go scroll down. So here you can copy anything, like category part you can copy also possible, subcategory part also you can copy possible, but I will copy for the category part, and I just put here, and I can change category to block category, simple. Just I copy paste, and I will change every place, so I can do it very quick. This is the reasons, otherwise no any reasons. Okay, and here also I can change block category model. You can see it, all routes is ready, like list, add, edit, and update and deletes, everything's available. You can see it here. Now we can go up and we can declare for this controller. So very any place do you want to, like, you can control. Okay, now we need to create a new controller inside admin, means app http controller inside admin, and you can click in the new file. Once you can save .php, means I don't want to go to command prompt open, take much time, better we can do it here. Second one, need to go to back again category controller, here you can see it, and just copy all thing and you can paste here. Just scroll up and you can change, means you can cut and paste here. Okay, and here is there is a add new category. Let's go scroll down, and we need to change one by one. We don't need images here, so just remove the image part. Is home we don't need, we can remove. Button name we don't need, remove. Created by we don't need, remove. Data is there, slug we need, so slug we can also provide user side. Okay, and let's same is a scroll down, we don't want to need this one, so remove, because already all thing there, why we need to taking time to develop. Okay, so here we need to change new models, blog category model. So simple, we need to create a new model. I already done create tables, so simple you can change here, and here also change. Just go to back again model inside and create a new file, block category models and .php. Just go to category model and you can copy all thing and you can put here, and after you can change for this class name. Also you need to remove this space, and here you can make block category, and simple scroll down, you can leave it everything, just you can do it category to block category, because we need to use this function, so we can use this function. This is the reason, and just you can make replace all, you can see it here. Okay, so simply scroll down, get record active, we don't want to need this created by, so just you can remove here. For this condition, suppose we need to use, so we can use, but right now you can remove. Menu inside we don't need, so just remove. Get subcategory we don't need, remove, and get images we don't need, so just remove. Okay, so just get record you can leave it, get single slug we can leave it, and first we need to create a slug inside a database table, because of we have not created. So after title you can make slug. Okay, so slug we can create. Let's go back again, block mod controller. Here is a name. I think title we don't need, you can remove because title is not usable anytime. So just you can remove, just you can leave it name. Okay, so slug we can create using the name. I think everything is good now. Now we need to sort out like a redirection. So whatever place you can find, just you can make control S and you can change to subcategory. Simple way. Okay, so you can see subcategory slug. Here is a unique found. Here you can make like a block subcategory successfully created. Just you can do it very quick. This is the reasons. Okay, otherwise no any reasons. Add titles. Here you can make like a add block category. After just scroll down, so just copy for above one and you can replace like add new block category, edit block category. So you can see it, everything is done. Okay, and also you can see it here also we need to change because this is the model also changed because I would make a replace all. This is the reasons, otherwise no any reasons. Just copy and we can find out control S again. I can do and I can change very quick. Okay, so you can see it now is the model and control ready. Now only remaining views files. So simply you need to open again your project inside you need to go to resources, views, admin. So you can see it like category, just copy paste. So you can see new file. Simply you need to change to block category. So you can see it here. Once you can see it inside a coding side, so we need to change some parts. Simply you can go to here admin, here you can see block category, inside you can see list. So here you can find out category list. So just you can change block category. It's very simple, very easy, no any difficulty. And here you can make another route block category. Just scroll down and here also you can change edit and delete time block category. Other thing we don't need created by who is, so just remove. And also we can no need home, we can remove, and status we also don't need created by, so just remove. Also you can remove the home. Okay, now just scroll up and here also you can make change name block category name. Let's go back again, we can try it's working not working. Simple save and just refresh the page. Now we need to click block category. Suppose error there we can solve, but suppose error not there, so it's good for our side. Like you can see it block category. Okay, class name also changed, so we need to change the class name because of here you can see it here. So just you can make rename, just go to web, inside just copy and put again. Okay, let's go back again, refresh the page here. So SQL inside created by is not available, so just go to back to category models and here you can find out created by. So just you can remove, we don't want to need this name, and also we don't want to need the join query. Same thing you can remove also join query, whatever place you did you can remove. Okay, so simply everything is good now. Let's go to category model. Inside we have not made any changes, let's see, otherwise generate the issue, not any changes. Okay, perfect. So let's go back again, refresh the page again. This is the very quick way, this reason you can see block category list. Let's click on the add new. So this is the file not found. Okay, I have made a mistakes because I have had every place space. Okay, because here no need to make a space here, just I put here space, so every place I put space. So let's go to list inside and I can put here directly space, so everything we can sort out. Where I can go inside a layout, inside a app.blade.p, sorry, header, and here I can make space, so everything sort out very quick. Okay, block category before you try, but after I will change. So simply you can change every place like this, so everything sort out very quick. Let's go back again, we can check against working not working. Just I put enter, so working very well. Now we don't want to need image, we don't need button home, so just remove. Other thing you can leave it. Okay, simple, you can go to block category, add inside you can go, and just you can remove this part simply, and also edit inside you need to remove this part, simple. Okay, and here you also change edit block category, and also you can change here add time, add block category, add new block category. Okay, let's go back again, refresh the page so we can check it's working, not working. Let's add a block category shopping, and just I can make shopping simple active, meta title also shopping, meta description, every place I add a shopping, and just click on the submit. So it's taking few times, and here is another, there's a gets images. So let's go back again and we can check the anything else there for the removing part. So we can remove block category models. So here is a get images not there because of it's a listing inside there here, you see. So we need to remove this get images. Just remove and save the files and try it's working, not working, because it's already created and redirect time generate the issue. You can see it list. Okay, so it's already highlighted, now also is created. Now we need to click on the edits. So let's try. So first of all we need to change here. Okay, is already changed, just edit, and we can make one and press the enter. So simply this is the also work, and here you can see it one. So means it's working very well. Let's make a inactive here and try it's working, not working. So inactive also work, means it's working very well, we have no issue now. Okay, let's try to delete, is working, not working. Just I press the delete button, block category successfully deleted, and I just go to database and I can check it's the is delete is the one is the updated. And let's make it here also 0. Let's go back again, refresh the page here. So here is the block category work done. Let me add another one. Whatever do you want to like name, let's add a PHP. I can create few category, don't worry about that, is my end, and I just press the enter. So you can see it, another category successfully created. So in this video I will cover like a very shortcut way like block category. Next video we can continue here like blog. So you can do it, add, edit, delete, update, and whatever do you want to do inside a blog. Because of block category done, we have checked our themes. So themes inside you can see it category showing. So we can do it professional way. This reason I have did. Okay. So but do you have any question for this video? So please comment out, and do you want to like this video? So please like, and do you want to see like this video more? So please subscribe our channel. And thank you for watching Error Solutions.